I originally played for a boys' team. I played for a boys' team in Conway. It went from there, really. I was at Liverpool for nearly 10 years, and then I made my senior debut at the age of 17 against Ireland. And then I was fortunate enough to play 63 caps. You know, it's a good career. I was pleased with what I contributed to the Welsh team. Everyone thought I was going to be a coach or a manager because that's the way I thought about the game. I was a big thinker about the game. Originally, I missed playing quite badly, but in my mindset, I was still on the pitch, I was still involved in it. So, you know, there is a good comparison now between how I used to play and now as a referee. It's just that buzz of being on the pitch and taking part in such a great game. I think it's important that the women understand that once your career ends as a player, whatever the age, whether you're 16, 26, 36, you know, there is an opportunity there to stay in the game, to stay in the sport after you've hung up your boots. Women's football in Wales is really pushing on, and I'm fortunate and I'm privileged to have played it, and I'm fortunate and privileged to carry on in the role that I'm playing at the moment.